The International Criminal Court's dilemma, a test of sovereignty and justice. In a dramatic turn of events, Hungary's decision to withdraw from the International Criminal Court, ICC, has sparked controversy and raised questions about the court's authority and the future of international justice. As we delve into this complex issue, we uncover a web of political motivations, diplomatic challenges, and the delicate balance between national sovereignty and global accountability. Hungary's withdrawal, effective June 2, 2026, marks a significant departure from the ICC's founding principles. Prime Minister Viktor Orbán's government, citing political bias, has chosen to sever ties with an institution designed to hold individuals accountable for the most heinous crimes. But here's where it gets controversial. Despite this withdrawal, Hungary remains legally bound by the Rome Statute until the process is complete, which means it has a duty to arrest individuals with ICC warrants, including Russian President Vladimir Putin, should they set foot on Hungarian soil before the withdrawal takes effect. The ICC's arrest warrant for Putin, issued in March 2023, focuses on allegations of war crimes, specifically the unlawful deportation of Ukrainian children since the war's onset. Russia vehemently denies these charges, labeling them as outrageous. This warrant, however, presents a unique challenge for Hungary as it navigates the delicate balance between its international obligations and its own political and diplomatic interests. Budapest's accusation of political bias against the Hague-based court is a bold move, making Hungary the first EU member state to leave the ICC since its inception in 2002. The presidency of the Assembly of States Parties, which oversees the ICC, expressed regret over this development, stating that it clouds our shared quest for justice and weakens efforts to fight impunity. This statement underscores the concern that Hungary's withdrawal could set a precedent and undermine the ICC's effectiveness. The ICC has faced numerous challenges in enforcing its warrants. South Africa's failure to detain Sudan's Omar al-Bashir during a 2015 visit, despite an outstanding warrant for war crimes and genocide, is a notable example. Similarly, Mongolia and Hungary declined to arrest Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu during recent visits, leading to formal findings of non-cooperation by ICC judges. However, there were no further sanctions or penalties, highlighting the court's reliance on member states for enforcement and the limitations of its authority. Human rights observers argue that failures to act on ICC warrants, often justified by diplomatic immunity or domestic political concerns, undermine the court's credibility and embolden those accused of grave international crimes. This raises the question: how can the ICC ensure compliance and maintain its authority when member states have the final say in enforcement? As we navigate this complex issue, it's clear that the ICC's effectiveness relies on a delicate balance between international cooperation and national sovereignty. Hungary's decision to withdraw, while controversial, highlights the challenges and limitations faced by an institution striving for global justice. It leaves us with a thought-provoking question. In the pursuit of justice, where do we draw the line between international obligations and national interests? What are your thoughts on this matter? Do you believe the ICC's authority should supersede national sovereignty, or is there a need for a more nuanced approach? Share your insights and let's spark a discussion on this critical topic.